Fantom at the time of this recording has started a bit of a pullback to the lower side after getting rejected at a key area of resistance above the 0.5319. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into resistance, and the next key area of support that is holding at the moment lies above the 0.4985. And in today's video, I will be discussing an Elliot wave structure that is playing out here on the Fantom chart, and also give you my possible pullback target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of this Elliot wave structure, which started to play out on the 5th of July when we saw that massive breakdown move, and afterwards we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2 before we started this impulsive move to the upside in this Elliot wave count 3, in a move that has now given us a high above the 0.5361, and that high also fully maximized minimum target areas that I gave you by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1 and dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. You can see that the highs, the target areas for the third wave at the fib level 1.618 were fully maximized, and that perfectly lies above the 0.5269, and that gives us the chance that we could have the high in place for this Elliot wave count 3, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of a pullback in this Elliot wave count 4. And if that is the case, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high that we have in place in that Elliot wave count 3, we can get a minimum pullback target area for the fourth wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which perfectly lies between the 0.4811 and the 0.4645, which is the area that I have marked here on the charts. So in case in the next coming hours we see a bit of a pullback, this is the area to pay a lot of attention to, because this area also needs to continue holding a support, give us a low in place for that Elliot wave count 4, and then from there we can expect our aggressive bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5 in a move that can easily take us back above the 0.6. We also need to have in mind that we might not see that massive breakdown move into this target area over here. There are chances that we can see a bit of a pullback, get a shallow Elliot wave count 4, and that also means that significant key areas of support needs to continue holding. And if that is the case, once we have a shallow Elliot wave count 4, we can expect another bounce to the upside, breaking above these significant highs in that Elliot wave count 3, which will also give us a confirmation that we are seeing a change of structure, and there are chances that we have a low in place in that Elliot wave count 4, and we have started our bounce to the upside in this Elliot wave count 5 in a move that can easily get us back above the 0.6 in the next coming hours or maybe days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart for the next coming hours. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.